what we got going on here is we got like a little fisheye deal. That's where the panel was maybe dirty or something, or I don't know. You just get them from time to time. And then right here we got a little tiny nib. On the nibs, all you got to do is take a little piece of sandpaper and just barely scuff over top of it. Come back with the tack rag it. It's best to just go ahead and tack rag the whole panel. And then we'll come back to this little fisheye deal. You can keep painting it and it'll eventually cover, but it'll have like a ring after you clear it. So what I like to do is in between coats, all you got to do is take and dry spray over. When you come back and put your other coats on top of it, that little spot right there is actually going to end up getting pushed and flowed out, and it'll fill in the crater. And that's all you got to do to remedy that situation. Thanks for watching. I'll catch you on the next one. Hey everybody, this is Scotty with Sketchy's Garage. Today we got one that's fixing to leave. It's a really cool body style. I'll show you guys. I'd like to pick y'all's brains out there, what y'all think this car actually is, or truck. And then I got one more question for you that I thought was really neat. See if any of you guys know. What's that hole right there for? If anybody knows, let me know in the comments below. Been super busy on this unit. Finally got her done. And old boy's fixing to pick her up. Alright, if anybody knows what kind of vehicle this is and what that hole's for, let me know in the comments below. Catch you on the next one.